Alright, so now let's run a program here where we get to do something a little bit different. Let's say in this one we want to run a program that doesn't print our coordinates in Python, but prints the coordinates in Minecraft in the posted chat. So open up a new program. I'm going to go ahead here. I'm just going to call it location in Minecraft. And we're going to do our same lines that we always do for every program that we do. Our import mcpi.minecraft as Minecraft. Alright, then we're going to go to a new line here, a new statement. And we're going to type in our MC equals Minecraft.create. All right, and then I'm going to add in just a few extra blocks here. I'm going to add a block in between import and the import. I'm just going to put in import time, and then I'm going to add another function underneath this guy here, and this one's going to be how long we want the time to sleep. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to not have it print our coordinates, but we're going to go ahead and get our position. So position is going to be equal to the player, and we're going to use the function get position. So this get position is a function built in, and what that get position will do is snag the X, Y, and Z coordinates of our player wherever they're at in the world. Now before we printed the X, Y, and Z, now we want to go and do this chat. Okay, so we're going to do this MC, the post to chat. And this is what we did earlier when we said hello Minecraft world. And now what do we want it to do? You can type in anything. I could say that I want X to equal, I could put in, I'm just going to say I am at X equals. I'm going to get that out of the quotes because now that's just the string. That's what's going to post in the chat. But now I need the variable. So I'm going to pull the string of position X, just like this. And then I'm going to add a plus. And then I'm going to go with quotes again for another string of commands. I want a comma. Y is going to equal. And then the same thing, this plus. The string of position.y, and then we're going to do one more plus, then the quotations, z equals quotations, and the string for position z. And now when we run this, we should get our coordinates in Minecraft. So I'm going to go ahead and save. I'm going to go back here to game, and you can now see